रकुल जी, रकुल जी, रकुल जी, रकुल मैम इधर,
रकुल जी यहाँ पे, रकुल जी, रकुल जी,
वेट 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 रकुल मैम आपके लेफ्ट।
रकुल जी थोड़ा ऐसा टर्न चाहिए ना, वेट, रकुल जी यहाँ पे, रकुल जी,
वेट 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 एक मिनट यार, दादा था।
मैम इकडे बघा, मैम इकडे, सोनाली मैम आता इकडे, इकडे इकडे, मैम इकडे, सोनाली मैम इकडे, मैम इथे इथे,
सोनाली मैम वेट वेट,
मैम इकडे एकदा, सोनाली मैम इकडे, मॅडम इकडे बघत नाही तुम्ही, सोनाली मॅडम एक मिनिट थांबा ना,
सोनाली जी
थांबा जरा, थांबा एक मिनिट,
थँक्यू थँक्यू। अरे लोग सानिया मैम इधर, सानिया मैम, सानिया जी वेट वेट वेट, मैम लेफ्ट में आइए, लेफ्ट में, आपके लेफ्ट में इधर, सानिया जी यहाँ पे,
सानिया जी यहाँ पे, सानिया जी राइट साइड, राइट साइड, सानिया जी ऑन योर राइट, थोड़ा टर्न हो जाए ना, मैम मैम राइट लेफ्ट,
यहाँ पे सेंटर में,
थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू, हाउ आर यू, नाइस टू सी यू,
सानिया जी, अरे बाप,
थैंक्स गाइस, थैंक यू,
सॉरी
करीना का फोन ना है,
ऐसा लुक या लुक योर राइट, राइट राइट मैम, राइट, सानिया जी राइट, चलो जाना,
ये सामने है, मैडम सामने ही है, सोनाली जी प्लीज, सोनाली जी, सोनाली जी एक ते घेऊन करा मॅडम, इथे बघा मॅडम,
हाँ
मॅम इथे बघा, सोनाली मॅम समोर बघा,
यहाँ पे
मैडम राइट,
ओ मॅडम समोर, मॅडम समोर, सोनाली मॅम,
सोनाली जी,
सोनाली मॅम समोर, समोर बघा, इथे मॅम इकडे, इकडे इकडे सामने मॅम समोर बघा,
मैम राइट, मैम राइट राइट राइट,
सामने देखिए,
थैंक यू।
यहाँ पे देखिए, मैम यहाँ पे देखिए,
मैम राइट कॉर्नर,
मैडम इकडे, राइट राइट,
थैंक यू, स्टार्ट करेंगे बाद में,
ओके मैम, ओके धन्यवाद,
अरे बाबा ढकलू नकोस,
इंस्टाग्राम के लिए थैंक यू।
I think, like everyone, I have to also start by thanking Kunal and Mrunal for having, well, first of all, for getting me, Mahesh and Leander together in one picture. And then, just kidding guys, just kidding. No, but for actually putting this together for so many years, I think tennis needed this, and tennis needs this, as we all know, and we're really happy to be part of something that is only going to help tennis grow. So I've been a part of TPL for a few years, and I've had the pleasure of being at a bunch of auctions, and it's done extremely professionally, and it gives amazing opportunity, not just for the Indian players to play against the best in the world, but also for them to grow. And we can see that from the fact that we do have a lot of, we have like 6 top 150 doubles men's players today. So I think TPL can take some credit for that as well. Again, thank you very much. I am honored to be here. Thank you for having me as your brand ambassador, and I look forward to a great auction and a great week of tennis in a couple of months.
Season 6 of TPL. I think all of us present over here, we're very excited to be a part of this league. I think this is the time of the year we've been waiting for throughout the year. And we hope to make sure that we get the best team put together today with the mentorship of Suresh sir and Rakulpreet ma'am here. So looking forward to a great afternoon ahead.
Good afternoon everyone. Of course, as it's compulsory, we have to thank Kunal and Mrunal for working so passionately towards growing the league. I remember speaking to Kunal 5 years back when he came to me, and I've been associated with the league for 5 years, and the kind of efforts that have been made year by year, the league growing. A big kudos to you both, and yeah, can't wait for the auction to get started. So keep it short and simple. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And yes, this year it's different, but like Alusha said, I've been part of this TPL from its inception, thanks to, guess the 2 names, Kunal and Mrunal, yes. But I have to say, I'm so happy that the TPL has grown to come and is seeing the season 6 now. I know the kind of hard work, the dedication that has gone into it. Kunal and Mrunal have really put in a lot of effort. You know, he's a tennis lover, you're a tennis player. Lot of tennis players here. I'm so happy to see Lee, Sania and Mahesh in this room together. Amazing. Well done, Kunal and Mrunal. But so for me, not being a tennis player or that much of a watcher, the reason my association is with the boys, Kunal and Mrunal, and I love the effort they put in. I like the idea that this game needs to grow, because we need to know that there are more games in this country which need to be promoted. And whatever little that I can do by getting that spotlight on the game, I'm trying my best. I think there are better people here to do that. I appreciate the fact that you all think that I can put the spotlight on it. Thank you for the honor. I'm glad to be the ambassador to a brand new team this season. But I think new is always good, change is always good. And with change comes newer competition, new energy, and I'm really looking forward to this energy this season. So all the best to the new team, and don't take them lightly. All the best for the auction. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. So we are really glad and excited to be a part of Tennis Premier League, something that Kunal and Mrunal started, and seeing it grow to the next level is quite exciting for us. So for this being our debut season, we really look forward to having a solid team, and yeah, definitely winning it. Of course. Thank you. Over to Sonali.